Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to screen mirror your iPhone on over to your Google TV device. So it could be a TCL TV or a Google TV streamer. So this is very easy to do. I'm going to go back to the home screen and then go up to the top. And I want to make sure I'm connected to the same Wi-Fi internet as my iPhone. So go on over to Wi-Fi and then going down and just verify it right here. Then we can go back and we want to get an application that's called AirScreen. So you can see it right here, AirScreen. I'm going to open this up. So just go to the voice option on the remote and say AirScreen, AirScreen, and it should open up for you. So you can see it's typing it in on the top left. And if it doesn't show up right here, you might have to say more details. Otherwise, you can just go up to the top to search and then just type it in right here. So let's say AirScreen. And it should find the application now. Now, if it doesn't, we can just type in or say, find AirScreen on Google Play Store. Now, when you get this application and you have it opened up, this will allow you to use your Google TV as a receiver to pick up the signal from your iPhone. So let's go ahead and go back to the application and open it up. And when we have this opened up, it'll probably say, do you want to run this in the background or something like that? You can run in the background. So I'm just going to force start it right now. And when I have this turned up or on, I can go over to my iPhone now, swipe down from the top right, and then go to these two little boxes. So you can see Wi-Fi right here. Make sure you're connected to the same Wi-Fi as your Google device. Otherwise, it will not show up. And here is AirStream. I'm going to tap it, and it should connect right now. And you can see my smart TVs listed on there too. And boom, it kicked on over. I can just come back to the screen in the future and I can disconnect too if I don't want to screen mirror anymore. So now I have the option to go on over to my photos, my camera, and open those up. And yeah, you can get this on your TV. Sometimes I'll be recording a video. I'll just have it up on my TV, which is kind of cool. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe my channel down below.